Hello guys. Ever felt the annoyance of using a cotton swab and having the stem or tip break? It may be a small matter, but having reliable and sturdy cotton swabs are a daily necessity. Whether you use them for makeup, cleaning, or first aid, having the best cotton swabs on hand can make life a little easier. So in this video Shopix picks the best cotton swabs. We did put all these swabs in list and mention their links in the description box. Now let's get started the list. Number 5, Cleganic Cotton Swabs. Cleganic organic cotton swabs are made with 100% pure organic cotton. These ultra-soft cotton swabs are hypoallergenic, biodegradable, and gentle enough for all skin types. They are made with strong flexible paper sticks. These soft cotton swabs are ideal for delicate areas. For baby care, for beauty to apply or remove makeup, for first aid uses and also to clean dust of keyboards other electronics. Cleganic put a lot of effort into manufacturing quality products that will meet our customers' expectations. These cotton swabs are available on Amazon. Number 4, Tyfanso Cotton Swabs. The cotton swab head is tight and compact, will not easy to fall off. The cotton swabs always used to remove extra eyelid, eyebrow, eyeshadow and makeup as a makeup remover cleansing brush of eye. These cotton swabs have a wide variety of uses including beauty, applying, removing, touching up cosmetics, household cleaning, arts and crafts, pet care and more. These cotton swabs have many uses around the home. The flexible paper sticks make cleaning the crevices in your computer keyboard and device ports possible, and the compact size of the swabs is great for unclogging bottle tops and wiping dust from small vents. These cotton swabs are available on Amazon. Number 3, BTYMS Cotton Swabs. These cotton swabs is enough for daily use, meeting your various needs and demands. The cotton swab made of bamboo and 100% pure cotton which is biodegradable, recyclable to preserving the environmental. The cotton buds for ears at both ends are soft, rounded and absorbent, not easy to break. The cotton stick head is tight and compact, will not easy to fall off. These cotton swabs are work for beauty, applying, removing, touching up cosmetics, household cleaning, arts and crafts, pet care, baby care, and more. These are high-quality bamboo sticks which has better hardness than wood stick and not easy to break, smooth feel, safe and comfortable to use. These cotton swabs are available on Amazon. Second last, Diane Cotton Swabs. Diane cotton swabs are made of 100% pure cotton on both sides and have a sturdy holder stick. One pack provides a total of 375 sterile swabs. The double-sided cotton tips are great for perfecting a manicure or pedicure, touching up and removing makeup, applying ointment on cuts and bruises and more. The 3-inch long plastic base is flexible yet durable. These swabs can be used for a variety of personal needs for men, women, kids and babies. Diane cotton products are biodegradable, and the packaging is reusable and recyclable. These cotton swabs aren't just for your ears. They are a must-have, versatile beauty accessory that belongs in every bathroom cabinet. These cotton swabs are available on Amazon, and the last we listed, Sky Organics Cotton Swabs. The Sky Organics cotton swabs are made with 100% pure organic cotton. These organic cotton swabs are made with GOTS certified organic cotton. That means there were no pesticides or insecticides used in the manufacturing of the consciously made cotton. Sky Organics cotton swabs have an ultra-soft yet durable design making them soft and gentle on skin. These are ideal for gently cleaning around the outer surface of the ear, and a variety of beauty and personal care uses. Sky Organics cotton swabs are hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, made with responsibly sourced, organic cotton, and are free of chlorine and fragrance. These cotton swabs are available on Amazon. These 5 are the best cotton swabs, you can choose any one for your use. Thanks for watching, please like the video, and tell us which beauty product you want to review in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next upcoming videos. For more information about all these cotton swabs, visit to the links in the description box. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.